Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, original, official, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or powered wheelchairs that not even Robert T. Ironside, Raymond Burr himself, could fit in because he was a big guy too. Not just my weight, but I'm 6'2", I got 14.5 triple E feet. This is inadequate for my needs. What I need is a hover scooter, but they don't have those yet. We're in the 21st century. Where's my damn robot? All right. I told my doctor I didn't want this. I got it anyway. So the guy's going to take it back, get a different doctor, get it authorized, and get me a four-wheel powered scooter to the tiller. Then I can grow crops and sow the fields with the tiller, put a blade attachment and mow grass. So be about a month. I'm sorry about the big announcement. This is not what I expected. And he leaned the seat back. Where's the missile launcher? Where's the freaking laser? I went a hovercraft. I went like a hovercraft going from England to France with this thing with jets. It would go off the ground. We didn't even have wheels. We should have that in the 21st century. We have the technology. We can build it. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Remember, you can subscribe to the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, where you'll see content nowhere else for the members. Thank you to my Kitty Cat members and my channel paid subscribers. And remember, if I get the scooter, you want to donate to help me get a working iPad. You'll see me do videos in the scooter outside of my apartment. It was 72 degrees last night till 5 a.m. I roasted all night. So a month I should have another a scooter with four wheels with a tiller and baskets and all that good stuff. And so I'll have to suffer for another month. But this is inadequate because it's just, I can't carry anything. I can't lift stuff. I'm not supposed to lift anything over 20 pounds in my right arm because the rotator cuff has been torn 3 times. All right, have a great day. Stay hydrated, stay cool, stay wet, stay dry. Have something cool to drink or hot to drink. Sit in a hot tub in a pool. Turn on the air conditioning or turn it off. And I'll catch you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now. And thank you for the guy bringing this. He did a lot of work to adjust this. And I said, can we get the other one, please? And he said, yeah. I appreciate that very much. And Freedom Medical was great. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.